family, hello, I hope you're doing well. So today we're gonna you remember I make one of my last video was with avocado seed, how I can make avocado seed oil, how you can make your avocado seed oil. So that video, please, if you have not seen that video, just go and check it. I will put the link in the description box. And in that video I was telling you that I will make another video to show you how we are extracting our avocado seed oil. So today is the day that is our avocado seed oil, and I'm just gonna extract it now after 1 week, so that it is. Oh, look at this, nice. So let's just that is, look at this. Then avocado seed oil is very good for the hair, for the scalp. If you haven't tried it, just try it. Okay, hydrate the scalp, stop itchiness, stop irritation, stop dandruff, and promote hair growth also, like like avocado himself. So then if you are somebody that like eating avocado, please don't go and throw your avocado seed away. Every time you eat avocado, you save your seed to make your oil. You can see here, very nice. Just have to press it so that all the oil will come out. You can make double boiling method. You can just infuse the oil anyone you wish. I just use my hair cap. So that it is. Now those are the can one. Everything is dry because I remove all the oil. You see, I just have to throw it away. So look at this gorgeous oil, avocado seed oil. My gosh. So this oil, you can use it 2 to 3 times a week on your scalp, on your edges, on your strands, on your ends, then you will see the improvement of your hair growth. Okay, then just use it, and you also see that if you have itchiness or dandruff, scalp irritation, the oil will help. You can also Google yourself, because what I'm telling you here, I'm not lying, is avocado seed oil is very good for the scalp. Okay, you can also make like hot treatment oil with the oil. Hot treatment oil, just warm the oil and put on your hair, leave it like 30 minutes as a pre-pour, and then wash it and make your shampoo and yes, and make your shampoo and make your treatment, then it's okay. So there it is. So if you want your oil to stay longer, to help long, so just use just add some drop of vitamin E. I have this vitamin E. I love it so much. If you are following me so for some time now, you see that is the one that I always use. Just go and add some drop of vitamin E in your oil so that it will stay longer. Okay, so that it is. I love the texture, I love everything. It's very good. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Please, if you are not subscribed, just subscribe to help me grow my small channel that I just started. I just want to show you how I'm doing my DIY hair product. So if it's something that you like, please just subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time I upload you'll be notified. Like the video, share it and comment. We will help somebody there, and just support me and encourage me to continue doing those DIY products. Okay, let's just grow our hair together. So have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye.